Kelly. I am 18 years old and about to graduate from high school, planning to go to college, and needed a way to find money. If you're like me and you need money to cover yourself in college, take a look at my business plan.
Lineup of products from the three largest industries in the world today, with software, travel, and personal development, representing revenues of over $1 trillion a year. The best way to reach your financial goals is to promote the products that are already being bought by consumers every single day. Can you imagine having unlimited access to the products of the top personal development trainers in the entire world who help ordinary folks become 6- and 7-figure income earners? Or how about owning the tools in the amazing software industry that will skyrocket anybody's business? And if that's not enough, having your very own amazing lineup of travel products that will let you enjoy the top vacation destinations for pennies on the dollar. Well, that's exactly what you get the moment you join LGN Prosperity. It's your products. But you still need a compensation plan that's designed to pay you an unlimited income quickly. Imagine having a business that spits out payments of $777 to you over and over again. All you do is allow your LGN Prosperity system to help you in finding 2 people that enroll 2 more people. And every time this happens, it's what's called a cycle. Each time your little 2x2 matrix cycles like this, you earn a whopping $777. It's as simple as that. And the moment you earn your check, you'll automatically be re-entered back into a new matrix at absolutely no cost. Get ready, because once again, you'll be in a position to have this system help you earn another $777. And this could happen over and over and over again, even on a daily basis. Your income potential is unlimited with the power of the LGN Prosperity Compensation Plan. A one-time product purchase for an affordable $299 will get you in business.
I stand right by you, love comes inside you, gets behind you, takes you under its wing. Is it some kind of function, a reconstruction of where you've always been? Love comes inside you, gets behind you, takes you under its wing. Is it some kind of function, a reconstruction of where you've always been? I say, time can hurt you. I can't be bothered to get you alone in this world. You can't do it yourself.
You know just 2 people?
Kick your shoes to the floor and run from your car.